Dad, we're back!
Come on, Bluey, I have to get dinner started.
Gotcha.
Hey, Bingo.
Can you play Crazy Pillow with me?
I'd love to, kid, but I've been sitting down all day. I just need to go for a run.
Oh.
I'll play with you after dinner, okay?
No.
No, we're having a bath after dinner.
Ow.
Well, Crazy Pillow will have to wait for the weekend.
Will there ever be a time when the weekend is forever?
Dinner. What's for dinner?
Cereal!
You can't have cereal for dinner.
Ow!
I know, meatballs.
Right, meatballs! I don't want meatballs.
Bluey, you love meatballs. Well then what do you want?
I don't know what I want, but I know I want something.
I could use some help here.
Babe, I have to move my body.
There's no black sinners. No black sinners. I don't even think it would even matter. There's no black.
Spaghetti?
See ya!
That's it! Everyone stop!
Huh?
Including you!
What?
We're playing musical statues.
Oh.
Hooray! Musical statues!
I don't want to play musical statues.
No. Neither do I.
Too bad, I need someone to do the music stopping.
Okay, ready, go.
A few moments later.
And stop. You blinked, you blinked, you blinked. You're all out. See ya.
Come on! Do it properly.
Or don't do it at all.
Okay.
No! Oh, give me that. Let's put some real music on. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Get that body moving. Come on, Bluey. Shake it out.
Stop.
Whoop!
Bombastic side eye.
No one. Okay, here we go again. Oh yeah, shake it, Jelly.
Come on, Bluey. Copy my moves. Yeah, that's it. Whoop! Raise the roof. Whoop, whoop. Raise the roof. Whoop, whoop.
Bingo. Come on, kid, help me with the music.
Okay. Go.
Bingo. If this was a dance-off, who would you say is winning? I agree. Come on, Bluey.
Oh, Dad, I know.
I may not have a brain, gentlemen, but I have an idea.
Play I Love Cereal.
Baba Booey.
We've just had a song request come in from Ringo Healer.
Bingo.
Bango bongo.
Healer.
Who do you dedicate this song to, Ringo? This one's going out to Ringo's sister, Louie.
Bluey! work out.
Yeah, that did it.
Oh yeah, go Bluey!
Ooh, this is tough.
Some musical statues. Sit tight.
Pretty frozen.
They're pretty frozen out there.
No one's out.
And we're back on.
Get out of there!
I can't.
It's a boogie trap.
Boogie trap.
I don't know.
Stop.
Oh, good idea. Sorry again, dance fans. A small child was stuck in a boogie trap.
This sounds intense.
Mom, you can pick up your game a bit.
Oh, easy to say from the sidelines.
Yeah.
Whoa, you hear that, Bingo? That sounded like a dance challenge. Take the reins.
Making my way downtown, walking fast.
My honor is at stake.
Here we go.
Time to cut up a rug. Oh yeah, give it some of these ones.
Cut that bitch right off, I feel like
Hey!
Mom.
Oh, ref, come on!
Tell it walking, love.
Here, Bingo. Let me put a song on.
Bitch, call my phone, she like blah 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 blah.
Just this little blue one to beat now. Oh wow, okay, back to the glory days. Time to take it to the floor. Oh man. Could use a rat mat. Time to dust off the worm roll.
Oh, Bingo, now!
What?
Dad!
Oh, no fair. I was mid-worm roll.
Bluey wins.
Hooray!
Can we keep playing?
No, Bluey, we better let Dad go for his run.
Nah, I'm cool. This is actually better than running.
Okay, let's do it.
Hooray! Who's doing the music stopping?
Not me.
Oh, we all want to dance. What do we do? Is there a way to play where the music doesn't stop?
Oh, let me check the rule book. Oh yeah, look. It says
Chicos, alerta. Viene un grupo de hackers.
you want, but you know you want something.
I don't know what I want, but I know I want something.
Then you can play musical statues without stopping the music.
That's the sort of day we've had.
Sweet, we're good to go.
But how are you supposed to know who wins?
Oh yeah.